iPhone battery draining too fast? Here's the fix. 3 hidden settings quietly drain your battery every day. First, open settings. Go to General Arrow, Background App Refresh. This stops apps from constantly running in the background. And turn it off. Next, go to Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services, scroll down to System Services, find Significant Locations, and turn it off. This runs in the background more often than most people realize. Most people never check this setting, but it's constantly tracking where you go. Last one, go back to Location Services and check your apps. If any app is set to always, change it to while using. Most apps don't need constant access to your location. 3 settings. Better battery life. Done. Subscribe to Device Minute for more quick fixes.